Hi everyone, it's Discount Diva here. I'm on my lunch break and I'm driving back to the office. I wanted to show you guys my purchases at the Dollar Tree. I picked up a few items. I picked up more bracelets, more bows. Definitely found more designs for the nails. And as soon as I park, I will be showing you my purchases. I spent $14, so I got 14 items. I got sponge rollers for my hair because my mom came over on Sunday and she said, "Oh, what's going on with your hair? It usually looks nice and healthy. You gotta put some rollers in the ends of your hair." So I'm like, that was a little hint. So I bought some sponge rollers. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. And what I like to do with those is I wet the ends of my hair and I just roll up my hair with the rollers, and then I sleep with it. And the next day I have these nice curls. I usually love to do that. I just haven't had a chance to buy the rollers. And I happened to find them at the Dollar Tree. They were the big ones and the small ones. So it was a pack of 10, I believe, and a pack of 8. What else? I found the marble nails. I have been looking for those by Sassy Chic, and I picked up 2 packs of those. What else? I picked up cutlery. I needed a pack for the office. That was a package of 48, spoons, knives, forks. So what else did I pick up? I picked up a Wet n Wild nail polish. I think it's it's a limited edition. I believe it's a limited edition, and it was like mega glitter. What else did I pick up? I picked up the beaded bracelet in the blue, very pretty. Even the worker asked me where I got them. He picked himself up a silver one. I said, "Yeah, you can wear the silver one. It's a neutral color. You can wear it. It would look nice." He's like, "Yeah." What else did I pick up? Oh, 2 nail polishes by LA Colors. I believe that's it. Nail polish, press-on nails, sponge rollers, cutlery. What did I spend $14 on? Anyway, I'm coming up into the office to park, so I'm gonna show you before I start to before my makeup starts to sweat, because I don't have the air conditioner on, so that you guys don't hear the background of the air conditioning, because that has to be quite annoying. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly my haul before I start to suffocate. See the things I do for you guys. Okay, so I'm about to park and I'm gonna show you guys. Let's see, I'm gonna park right here. This way is not so noticeable, nosy people. Okay. The sponges I was telling you guys about, this is the foam hair rollers, count of 10, because they're smaller. And I also bought the bigger ones. And this is a count of 8. I love these things. And I'm going to quickly show you how I do it. The cutlery was a heavy-duty plastic cutlery set of 48, 16 spoons, 16 forks, and 16 knives. These were the nails I was looking for by Sassy Chic, and these are the marble print with the gray. I bought 2. I bought more bowls for my girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Plain white with the sparkle by Scunchie. I've been saying scrunchy all along, by Scunchie. The denim and white that matched my headband that I did the other day, the haul. This is a 2-pack, and this is by Basic Solutions. I picked up more of the colorful one and the teal with the pink and the purple. Okay. These are the bracelets that I picked up. And I think I snapped a picture of the other design if you guys were interested in looking at. And I'm about to put this on right now to go with my top. These are the glass beaded bracelets. See, my makeup is just... And I found this detangle brush. I saw these at the beauty supplies. They were about $2-3. So to find it for $1 at the Dollar Tree was a nice price for me. And this is the pink and purple. Guys, you see my makeup just coming off of me? Oh, this was the Wet n Wild limited edition that I told you guys. This is the Mega Rocks, and it's limited edition by Wet n Wild, and the color is Stick It to the Man. Oh, Stick It to the Man. Okay. And then I picked up these two by LA Colors. These colors caught my eye. And this is Seafoam. I think this color is beautiful. I definitely love this color. And then I picked up Winter Sky, and this has more of a it's like a glazed look. And this is $187, and this was $504. I'm really digging this bracelet. It goes perfectly with my top. I notice I do this a lot on camera. Like when I'm showing you guys, I'll be like, sorry about that, guys. And I think that's it. Oh, let me show you quickly how I would do the rollers, and how we say it in Spanish, los rolos. So what I would do is, you see how the ends of my hair is a little dry? I would take, let me take a bigger one. I will take the rolo, spritz it a little bit with water, or even with, you see how that dried? I will take a little water, or even a little treatment, like a conditioning treatment. Curl it in like this. Why isn't this? Okay, don't tell me this isn't bad. Okay, I was gonna say, don't tell me this is not a good quality, because I paid too much. I paid $1. Oh wow, you guys, you keep coming off. You don't want to stick? Okay, here we go. Okay, so you will do this all throughout your hair, and the next morning you come out with like salon hair, like boop, like nice curls, and your hair doesn't look damaged anymore. Whew. Yeah, that was what my mother was subtly telling me I needed to do. She's like, you haven't done the rolos in a long time. No, Ma, I haven't, you know, because I am busy with work and 2 toddlers, and now I'm posting videos. So yeah, that's what I would do to get my hair looking fabulous, and I haven't done that in a long time, so she actually has a point. But I was glad to find them at the Dollar Tree, the rollers, the foam rollers, and that's it. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Subscribe, show Discount Diva some love. And until next time, I'm going to pick up my hair again, because I am suffocating in this car. Literally. Whew. It is hot and humid outside, guys, if you haven't been outside. But go get you your bows and more of your nails, because they have a whole, look at this, my hair is just sticking to my head because of the sweat. They have like a whole scrunchy wall, but they don't put it in the beauty section anymore. They put it just right in the entrance of all the Dollar Trees, I've noticed, because this is like their hot item, I guess, these bows, and they're really adorable. And this one, the 2-pack, was a good purchase. And this one is really cute. They had a purple, a silver, and a copper. I wasn't crazy about the silver and the copper because I think it's a little too basic. The purple one was nice, but it looked like someone had stretched it out. The blue to me just popped. I don't know if it was because of the color of my top, but I was digging this color. Ooh, all right, guys, I am melting here. Like, I don't want to be dripping now. But I am having such a great time posting these videos. I'm seeing all the love of all the viewers. I'm just not seeing anybody subscribe. So please subscribe, please comment, and until next time, guys.